Hello everyone, welcome back to CG Today we have an important topic to discuss, the Apgar score. If you are expecting a baby or planning to work in healthcare, then the Apgar score is crucial to understand. So stick around till the end of this video as we break down what the Apgar score is, how it is calculated and why it matters. Let's start with what is the Apgar score. The Apgar score is a quick assessment tool used to evaluate the physical condition of a newborn immediately after the birth. It was developed by Dr. Virginia Apgar in the 1950s and has since become a standard practice in delivery rooms worldwide. What does Apgar stand for? Now you might be wondering what Apgar actually stands for. It's an acronym and each letter represents an aspect of the assessment. A stands for appearance, P is for pulse, G stands for grimace response or what we call as reflexes. A is the activity and R is for respiration. How is the Apgar score calculated? The Apgar score is calculated by evaluating the baby in each of the 5 categories and assigning a score between 0 and 2 for each one. A score of 2 means the baby is doing well in that category. 1 indicates some difficulty and 0 signals a need for immediate medical attention. What do the Apgar score mean? So what do these scores mean? A total score of 7 or higher generally indicates that the newborn is in good condition. A score between 4 and 6 means the baby may need some assistance, and a score below 4 signals a critical situation that requires immediate medical attention. Why is the Apgar score important? The Apgar score is vital because it helps the healthcare providers to quickly assess a newborn's overall health and make immediate decisions about any necessary interventions. It provides a baseline evaluation that helps to guide initial care and further medical attention if needed. And there you have it, folks. That's the Apgar score in a nutshell. Remember, if you have any questions or experiences you would like to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.